Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I have a harmonic balancer. Obviously this part is considerably rusted. We're going to use the VH2000. This is our dry blast cabinet. We're using aluminum oxide. Once we get all the rust and everything removed off of this, it's going to go back into being a functional part into the engine. So stay tuned. Check us out as soon as we get this done. Okay, so we're back after blasting this part in aluminum oxide. Again, what we wanted to demonstrate is that even though the part is rusty and it's having to be taken out of service, once we get it cleaned up, once we get it refinished, we're going to be able to put it back into service in the engine. This is something that's going to help the life of the part. It's also going to help with not having to replace parts as often. So if you guys have any questions, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call today at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.